Do you want to test it first before you video it?
Stupid. Yeah.
Oh wait, where's... oh yeah.
There it goes. Oh, that's grand. There we have Koch.
Good job. Is it not? It's not flashing, right?
Yeah, oh, go on, stick it in your ear.
Wait, do you want to see the whole thing? Yeah, is that right, Ian?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn the power on, it might work.
It's alive! Can you get go doing different colours now?
No, that's it.
There's other people in this room. I do the running thing. There's loads.
Oh yeah, go on.
I can't. There's loads of people here.
Go on out and run up and down the corridor. Go on, nobody's here. Run down to the toilet and back.
Right. Fucking hell.
Go on, I'm going to keep.
What did you do?
I'm going to keep recording it.
You gonna? Right, go.
Run!
Right, come on, let's record this then. Is it going mad? Alright, so I guess you're going a bit fast. Yay!